Github, whose slogan is "Where the world builds software," is a provider of cloud-based Git repositories. Alongside their repository hosting, they provide extra tools accessible through their site or API. GitHub Desktop is an application that provides a GUI interface to do most things Git related, negating the need for a command line interface, all while syncing local repositories with their cloud-based origins. Head over to the sign up page for GitHub, link down below in the description, and pop in your username, email, and password. Then complete the puzzle. Once done, copy the code sent to your email address by GitHub and paste it into the boxes. After that, follow the prompts or skip them by clicking Skip Personalization. With our account created, open the download page for GitHub Desktop, link below in the description, and click the Download for Windows button. Once downloaded, open the executable and GitHub Desktop will automatically install itself. With GitHub Desktop installed, click the Sign in to github.com button and click Authorize Desktop. Hit Open Link and simply click Finish. Now we're going to go over to File, Options, click Integrations and set Shell to Git Bash. Clicking Save, and now we're done. This is going to be the final episode in this series. I recommend that you click Create a Tutorial Repository after this and follow its prompts. A lot of useful information in there. Furthermore, feel free to comment below or tell me on my Discord server of any issues or concerns. Of course, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. Cheers.